My name's Clive Michelo. I'm from Zambia, currently working for the Center for Family Health Research. I'm a medical researcher. My background is predominantly molecular biology, trained in virology and immunology. Leaving school, I didn't know what being a molecular biologist is, and these are things that we discovered at the university during our first year, the non-quartered year at the university. We came across genetics, molecular biology, and I really just loved the field and the science in there, and I set myself on the path of a molecular biologist. I did my bachelor's at the University of Zambia. Then when I completed, I worked for a little bit, like a year. Then I got a master's in Nijmegen in the Netherlands. That's where I also did my my PhD. When I finished, I came back. I joined Eric Hunter's group, where I started doing my first postdoc. And after finishing with my postdoctoral training, I proceeded with the same group to, do my research in T cells immunology. My work is around trying to decipher the efficacies of T cell responses in the context of HIV, and try to figure out how that can inform vaccine design. So basically, we probe T cell responses and try to tease out the most effective aspect of that T cell, and see how that can be induced in a vaccine setting. The challenges have been that what you find to be effective in the lab does not necessarily translate in real life. There's always some significant gaps, which is probably exhibited in the vaccine candidates that have been tried so far that are not as effective in real life. For me, being in this field, the impact I'd love to have is I would like to see one of my one of my products go to trial. For now, we're really focused on finding the antigenic determinants for an effective T cell, and when you find that, there are these other steps of designing that product and then trying it out. So I'm really at the beginning. So from here, I really have to think of how to formulate that vaccine based on my research, and seeing how that can be progress towards a more finished product that is ready for human trials. SANTHE, besides providing the money, they have created a good working environment. I think I have felt supported. I think that's very good as a researcher, when you feel you have the support, and not only the monetary aspect of my work, but the training. I think they've availed a lot of training to help us progress in our research, and providing a very good network. When I started work in Zambia, I think I'm still the only molecular immunologist there, but I don't feel alone, because I have this vast network of individuals that I can ask, I can work with, so in a way, and with modern technology, people are just either a WhatsApp away, a phone call away, or an email away. Why my job is the best job in the world? To begin with, I'm working on a real human problem. That has been a problem for the past, over 3 decades, and it is the best job because I'm a hands-on person, and I love working in the lab. Every day is a different day. Every day presents different challenges, and I feel that is mentally stimulating, although it can be tiring, especially if finding the solutions is challenging. But then again, it's the challenge that makes it the best job in the world. Great. Stimulating.